Alright, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? We are back with a brand new video. In today's video, this is a trade recap of today's trades that I took. I took one trade only. Let's get right into it. As you can tell, I got back from my hair kind of looks like a mess, but come back from the gym. Got my fake protein, OWIN, 32 grams of protein, plant protein. Sure, whatever. Right. So let's get started. Basically, going into the day, I was bullish, honestly, right? And the only reason why I was bullish because the order flow on the H4 was bullish, right? We were creating bullish fair value gaps, breaking above highs, but now we just ended up dumping, right? Disrespecting both of these fair value gaps, right? So, yeah. So let's get started. Real quick, I am up about 11. Let's do the math really quick. Let's do the math really quick. Let's pull out my handy dandy calculator. 46. Oh wait, you guys can see it. 46 times 3. We made about $1,400 today on the day. Let's go. Yeah. So let's get started. So like I said, 4 hour was bullish for value gap, bullish order flow. Dropping down to today's day, market ended up just opening up and dumping. I did not stream today. I've been up super late, back testing and studying a little bit, and yeah. So basically, market opened up and it just completely dumped. So then I woke up around this time actually. So basically, what happened here was we were in a 4 hour gap. We kind of filled this new day opening gap here, which was good. Excuse me. Dropping down, we have a 15-minute fair value gap here plus a 4 hour fair value gap, and then I'm like, okay, look, this looks decent, right? Come down. This is my rejection block. This box right here is my rejection block. Rejection block, right? And what makes this? I'm not just gonna take any rejection block, right? What makes this so high probability? Drop it down to the 1, 4 hour, 15-minute 1. So we come here. We have SMT at these lows. Slight SMT at these lows. Let's see. Yes, SMT at these lows. NQ made a lower low. Right? Slight SMT, right? This doesn't matter. Still SMT, right? Drop it. If you were to say drop it at the 50-second, that's a SMT regardless, right? With the swing point and everything. So drop it up to the 1. We have SMT divergence. And then we have a fair value gap, an unmitigated fair value gap here. So then I drop down. Okay, so knowing that this is a high probability rejection block, we ended up coming back down, tapping consequent encroachment of this rejection block, right? So fair value gap, SMT, rejection off a higher time of PD array, 15-minute fair value gap plus a 4 hour fair value gap. So price comes down. We tap consequent encroachment of here. My stop loss is at this low. And then I went with 8 micros, by the way. And my target was 2R. And that was the trade that I took on 3 accounts. Right? Just 2R and then just one and done type shit. Let me show you the executions. Oh, I think on MNQ actually, yeah. Forgot. Yeah, A right here. Consequent encroachment. Tap, filled perfectly to the tick. Got out around here, 2R. But yeah, that was a trade recap of today's trades. Made about $1,400. Like I said, my losses have been like minimal type shit. I've been on a losing streak, but I bounced back. $200 loss, $300 loss, $200 loss, $400 won. Still down in the week and down the monthly. I gotta bounce back. I gotta figure this shit out. But yeah, I'm trying to figure out like what makes a high probability rejection block, SMT, and like fair value gaps and all this shit. So yeah, other than that, guys, I'm trying to work on order flow too, just understanding order flow in the current order flow basis. Like here, yes, we dumped. Like we dumped here, obviously, but the thing is like order flow was bullish though. This fair value gap hasn't been this fair value gap wasn't created until after 2 p.m. So this fair value gap was still could have ran up towards the upside after tapping these imbalances, right? And then like rejection, like it was just I don't know. Like I'm trying to figure it out because like we just completely dumped, and we dumped around the 650 or the 850-ish levels, 848, like around there. So yeah, a solid yap. But yeah, I made about $1,400 today on cross 3 accounts. Some people might say it was luck. It does look like luck. I'm not gonna lie, right? It does look like luck, but at the same time, I saw what I saw and I took it and yeah, made money. But yeah, other than that, guys, that was the trade recap of today's trades. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys all tomorrow.